Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you a quick and easy tip to make sure Opera GX reopens all your tabs whenever you restart your browser. No more losing track of your favorite pages. Let's get started. First, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the sidebar. Find the settings icon. It looks like a gear, and click on it to open the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the On Startup section. Now, simply select the option Retain Tabs from Previous Session. That's it. From now on, Opera GX will remember and reopen all the tabs you had open when you last closed the browser. Quick and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.